Don't go, because this dessert with just 3 ingredients looks amazing.
Hi, I'm Pelayo. This is Hola.
Gallisalandia, and
I'll take care of it.
dessert with just
3 ingredients.
Look how simple it is. We take sponge fingers, lady fingers, call them whatever you want, these long cookies, and we place them in a mold or a small tray. As you can see, I dip them in milk, and if you want, you can do it 3 at a time to finish a bit faster. We soak them a bit in milk so they absorb it and get soft, and we arrange them so that they cover the entire base of our tray. On the other hand, half a liter of milk, which is 2.5 cups, in a saucepan, and a packet of flan or pudding mix. It's that simple. You give it a few stirs so it mixes well, and you put it on the stove just until it heats up and starts to boil. The trick is to stir it from time to time so it doesn't stick. Notice how it's covered with ladyfingers, and I place them on their side so they have more surface area. The flan mixture is going to rise, and it will soak into the ladyfingers, giving them extra flavor. You'll notice they float a little. Don't worry, just push them down a bit, like I just did. And once it's cooled, put it in the fridge or refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Although it's the kind of dessert that can easily be served the next day. In fact, on the internet, time flies, and I already have it ready. Look how good it looks. I don't know if I like it more just like this, straight from the tray, or unmolded. So for that, I'm gonna need your help. Did you like it better the way I just put it? Or now that I'm going to flip it over, you'll see it has its own charm too, with that custard-like color and this amazing slice. Let's dig in.
Look at how amazing it looks. I don't know if I like it more straight out of the fridge or like this flipped over. Honestly, it looks so sophisticated. It's amazing that something this beautiful and delicious exists.
It's easy. Just go to the fridge and keep grabbing more pieces.
Oh my goodness.
Plus, it melts in your mouth, and if you serve it straight from the fridge, it tastes delicious and refreshing at the same time.